All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today, well, we're going to look at some of the stereotypes of mechanics that are, well, true. Now, if you've watched any of the Loober Goober videos, I make fun of, young kids that are getting into this business, and I know it kind of pisses some of those people off. So we're going to turn the tables, and I'll make fun of, some of the other stereotypes. This isn't going to be a huge long video. I'm not changing costumes or anything like that, but I figured it'd be funny to, well, laugh at the some of the other characters in this industry. What the hell do you want? I told you, get the hell out of my bay. I don't answer no questions. Get out of here. Yeah, I don't want to do that job. I'm just here till I retire, man. So, give that to one of those young kids. I ain't doing that crap. I can tell you that it's a 69 because the pinstripe is 3/4 of an inch thick instead of 5/8 of an inch thick, so it's a 69. The 67s and 68s, they had a 5/8 pinstripe, so for sure it's a 68. Oh yeah, man, that job, I get that job done in like 0.5, man. Good luck. Oh yeah, I know what that problem is, yeah. Oh, I'm not telling you. If you want, you can transfer it over to my name and I'll fix it real quick. Yeah, I know it needs an engine, but it really needs a brake flush. And struts, control arms. They can go ahead and do that stuff right now. We can push it back out after the alignment. Come on, man, I put coil and plug in it. Man, it needs a PCM. I'm telling you, it needs a PCM. I swapped coils and plugs, it needs a PCM. Did I check for spark? No. I swapped coils and plugs, it's a PCM. I will tell you when it's going to, when I give you the keys is when it'll be ready. I'm not telling you when it's going to be ready. It'll be ready when I hand you the keys. Hope you found this somewhat humorous, probably a little lame, but as always, thanks for watching. I am the flatratemaster.